I'm born and raised here, and I've always liked work. The jobs I've had before range from buying and selling cars, working in factories, to parking cars, being a lifeguard on Key Biscayne, sailing ships. This is an accounting practice, so we're certified public accountants. We do a lot of consulting, we do a lot of tax work. In addition, we have other businesses that we run, we manage, we've created that relate to both lending and investing. I've been with Banesco a number of years, probably 5 years. I think they're terrific. I think what they really bring is a partnership relationship. They're more than a bank. They really are focused on their clients. It's relationship banking, which is a little unique these days. With the advent of the big banks, it's less personal, and Banesco is very personal, and they get very involved. So our relationship has been great with them, and we appreciate them very much.